Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have two things I want to share with you. One is animal print related, okay? Shelly is in this animal print mode and she's sticking in there. So I have two things, a bag and a wallet. So let's start with the smallest one first, which is this bag. These also came from Temu. One of my favorite stores to shop in is Temu. And it was on special, but it has a very designer vibe, actually. So this is a small little wallet, like a card wallet or a coin wallet. And really, it has like a Togo leather feel to it. As you can see, the texture of the leather. I don't think that it's real leather. It just feels more like a canvas to me, but it's really a very cute little wallet. And I'm not too sure I will keep this little pom-pom on it, but I may put a little heart or some little zipper closure on the top, because it comes with little rivets on the top of it, and it has a gold hardware, and actually it has a snap in here, which is really very nice. Okay, it has one large open space here. There's no really separate little card slots or anything, so you can put all of your cards in one big chunk all in here, and it's really a very sturdy little wallet. I really like it, actually. And you can close it like that. It's very cute, and I really like this style. And I believe it was only like $9 or something on the Temu website, but I think they have it on special this week for $4. So pick yourself up one. The next thing is this bag, animal print, out of control. I don't know what's wrong with my hair today. Go with the flow. Okay, so this is what this animal print style bag is. This one is more of a, they called it black, I think, on the website. So it has a different color. My other one has brown and coffee color. And this is very nice, actually. It's not leather. It feels like a canvas material. Yeah, it feels more like a canvas material. But this is very nice, actually. Gold hardware on it. Let's see what we're working with on the inside. So they have it stuffed really nicely. That's nice to see. This here. Okay, so it has a little shoulder strap. It's not crossbody, but a shoulder strap on it with a little edgy detail on it with the gold chain on the side of it. That's really nice, really pretty. So it also closes like this here on the front latch. Very nice. I like it. I like this really a lot. And let's see what the inside is like. Oh wow, it has an inside zipper. For those of you who really think that the bags should be fully closed, you would like this protection added. So the zipper is not the best, I will say that. And I probably will leave the zipper open because it has a big hole here anyway, and if you want to get into your bag a little bit faster, it's always accessible. So yeah, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. So it just has one large open compartment in it. It has on the back here, no, this is actually the front, so this is, no, not the back, but it has just one large open space on it. So this is really very nice. I like the style, and it will give you a look for less. It's not expensive at all, and this is what it would look like. And this little added detail on the corner here with the chain gives it a little bit edgier style. It's really nice. So it goes nice with my t-shirt today. So, new wallet, new bag, Shelly's ready to go. So cute. So now I have to say we're all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. We are all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. We are all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. We are all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, hit the like button and follow for more. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, hit the like button and follow for more. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, hit the like button and follow for more.